Hello friends, welcome back. Our topic in this video is nesting of structure. Concept of nesting we already know, like nesting of if, nesting of loops. It is the same thing. When we have one structure as a member of another structure, then it is nesting of structure. Let's understand this through example. Suppose in this example of structure student, we want to include a field date of birth. Date is itself an entity of three fields: day, month and year. We will create a structure date and include it as a member of structure student. There are two ways of doing this. In this case, we have created both structures separately and included D as a member of structure student. Another way is to include the definition of one structure in another structure like this. Here we have included complete definition of structure date inside structure student and created a member D. Now the next part is memory allocation and accessing nested members. It is very simple. You can see memory allocation of structure variable S like this. This is our old structure student variable and we have added member D in it, which is structure of three members: day, month, year. And the complete size of this structure S is now 42 bytes. I am considering integer as a 2-byte variable. We can access the members of S like this: s.rno, s.name, s.marks, s.d.day, s.d.month, s.d.year. Check carefully how nested members are accessed by using dot operator. I will demonstrate it through a small program. I will leave it to you to understand the code of this program. Just go line by line and understand the action of every statement. Goodbye.